How to fix ChatGPT not working. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. If you are facing similar problem in ChatGPT, this is how you can fix this. Try refreshing the website. To do this, simply scroll down to bottom. Keep trying it multiple times. If refreshing the website doesn't work, we can try clearing cookies. To clear cookies, click on this icon located on top left hand side of your screen. Then you will see this kind of pop-up. Click on cookies and site data. Now click on this delete icon. Again, click on delete. This will be solving a problem. If this process also doesn't work, we can try clearing browsing data. To do this, click on the three dot located on top right hand side of your screen and then click on clear browsing data. Now click on this last 15 minutes and set on all time. Now click on clear data. Now you can try opening ChatGPT again. The last thing you can do is practice resetting your web browser. To do this, go to your home page, click on your web browser for a few seconds and then click on app info. Now click on clear data, go to manage space and then click on clear all data. Now click on OK. If your ChatGPT is not working even after following all this process, you can simply try using different browsers or else try it using different device. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.